Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miz Sandy, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to ventilate a closure, especially if you are a beginner, you don't have any idea on how to ventilate. This video is definitely for you because this is just a well-detailed video showing you how to ventilate a lace closure. So you want to go by passing your pin directly underneath. You can see that we're doing it line by line, so you pass your pin directly under the line and then you just turn your pin facing downwards and you just bring it out. So I'm going to go over this one more time in a slow-mo so that you can actually understand. So you just want to pass your pin over and then you can see how flexible it looks like, pushing it forward and backwards. Then you turn it back, turn your pin to the back side of the strand, and then you just want to go by making sure that the hook is already secured to it, and then you pull it forward and backward just to create the knot, and then you push the part that the pin is outward, and that is just basically how to do it. So I'm just going to go over this one more time so that you can actually see how to ventilate. So while you're passing through your strand through the hook, so you want to make sure that the hook is already secured to the pin so that you can easily move it out, and then you push the part that the hair is on the pin outwards, just like so, and that is just basically it. So you want to go over watching this video over and over again, because one thing about ventilating a lace closure, you must have patience. It requires a lot of patience and consistency and determination. So if you have to do this, make sure you have those attributes attached to whatever you want to do. So yeah, this is just basically how to ventilate a lace closure, and I hope this video is very helpful. I hope you guys found this video very helpful. Do make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also comment if you want to see how to do the double knots method. This is actually the single knots method. If you want me to show you how to, like a well-detailed video how to do a double knot for a lace closure, do make sure to comment in the comment section, and I'll definitely do a video for you guys. Until then, I'll see you on my next video, so just keep on watching, go over this video over and over again, and you'll definitely understand how to ventilate a lace closure. And that is all for this video. Just keep on watching, guys.